If I started digital marketing today, here's what I would do different. See, a couple years ago, I started and I knew nothing about digital marketing. I joined a program hoping to make just a little bit of extra income. And within 10 months, our community grew to over 50,000 members and generated over $29 million in just 10 months. Sounds wild, right? But I made some big mistakes along the way. And if you're just getting started, here are 3 things that I would do differently so you can skip the stress and grow faster. Hi, if you're new here, my name is Mary Jane. I started my online journey while being a full-time mom, juggling 9 to 5, family life, and searching for a way to make an extra income online. I was overwhelmed, I doubted myself, and worst of all, I compared my slow start to other people's success. But over time, I learned that building an online income, it's not about doing everything. It's about doing the right things. So let me share the 3 shifts I wish I'd done sooner. Number 1, pick one program and stick to it. In the beginning, I chased every program I saw. I thought the next one would be the thing that would work. But honestly, it just left me confused and broke. And when I finally picked one system and gave it my full focus, that's when everything started to click. So a tip, pick one vehicle, block out all the noise, and show up for it like it already works. Number 2, take imperfect actions. I wasted weeks planning, scripting, editing, and waiting for the perfect moment. But what actually moved the needles was messy actions. My first video was awkward. My first post had no likes. But those steps, those imperfect steps, are what led me to income and impact. So don't wait to be ready. You get better by doing. And before we go into number 3, if you're curious to learn more about what I do in the online space, go down to the description below to grab our Freedom Guide formula. All right, so let's get back to it. Number 3, stop comparing your chapter 1 to someone else's chapter 20. This was a hard one. I watched people hit 10K in months while I was stuck at 0. And it made me question if I was cut out for it. But once I stopped looking sideways and focused on my own path, that's when I actually start seeing results. So that means your timeline is yours. It's not too late, you're not behind, and you're just getting started. So here's your simple game plan. Pick one program, take messy action, and focus on your own path. This is how beginners win, and this is how you win. And if you found this video helpful, and if you want to see exactly how we did it, go down to the description below to get access to our free class. It's the exact training that I followed along with thousands of others and are able to earn online without sacrificing time, without spending thousands, without a high following, without having to be techy, and without having to DM family or friends to get something from us. It's beginner friendly, easy to follow, and be able to get the support you need to help you along the way. So if this video gave you a little push of belief, drop a comment below, hit the like button, and subscribe for more step-by-step help. See you on the next one.